So how's it going, guys, and welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be counting down the top 4 side hustles to start making money online as a beginner. So whether you're experienced or a complete beginner with making money on the online space, this video is going to be for you. So listen up really closely as you're not going to want to miss any of these, and make sure you subscribe. I'm trying to hit 15,000 subscribers, and smash a like on today's video if you find this video helpful at all. So without further ado, let's get right on into it. Kicking off the list is number 1, YouTube automation. Now this is something that I've been doing for a very long time myself, as you can probably tell, but it's basically where you look upon YouTube channels as more as a business module rather than being a creator. So for example now, I'm obviously posting this video as a creator on YouTube. However, if I was to go into the space of YouTube automation, I'd be posting content, picking a niche and going down that route, not showing my face or my voice. So how much money can you make with YouTube automation? Well, I'm gonna hop on my PC now and show you some figures of some of my channels, and maybe it'll get you thinking, and then I can show you exactly how you can start. Now I want you guys to bear in mind with YouTube, it does depend on what niche you're gonna go down. So for example, on my finance niche, I'm getting paid $17.69 per 1,000 views on my channel. Now that is quite high because I go down the finance niche and business route. However, if you were to go down the gaming niche, you'd be looking at about $4 to $6 RPM, which is still good if you're getting thousands and millions of views, but nowhere near compared to the finance niches and how much they pay. So how much money can you make with YouTube automation, and is it possible to make a huge living from it? Now my answer to that question is, well, yes, it is very, very easy to make a living through YouTube automation. I've done it, I know many people who have done it, and I truly believe this is one of the best side hustles / main income streams of 2023. And the best part about it, literally no one's talking about it. They keep it quiet for a reason. The reason why you're not hearing about this is because it genuinely does work. So you can see here, just looking upon this channel here that I've got going, I'm doing around $500 to $1,000 every single day, which is generating me about 5K a week. And the best part about this is really passive. I post 3 times every 1 week on this channel, and in total it is generating me 20,000 every single month. Now this is one of my smaller channels as well, so this really does go to show that you literally don't need a lot of views to make a lot of money with YouTube, and you'll find great success in whatever niche you do pick. And you can literally see down here, if I look at how much you're earning per month, so this channel is a fresh channel, as you can see, February this month I made close to 20,000, and I've already made almost 3,000 in the March month. And if you are interested in learning YouTube automation and want to work one-on-one with me, I'll leave a link down below, top of the description. You can apply for our mentorship program. Not many people get accepted, but it's worth a shot, and you'll be working very, very closely with myself and my business partner. So shoot an application in, and you never know, you might get accepted. Side hustle number 2. Now this one might be very cliche, but it is in fact dropshipping. Now that you're thinking, well Jacob, I hear this a lot, I've tried it in the past and it didn't really work. Well, sorry to break the news to you, I'm going to be the person to tell you, well, it does in fact work. I've made 2 dropshipping videos on this channel now where I've basically done a challenge where I tried dropshipping for X amount of time, and I've been quite successful in each one of those videos. I'm going to let you into a little secret. I don't do dropshipping, yet I'm making all this money when I am making challenges. It's because it's so easy to get organic traffic to your Shopify store. And all you have to do is choose a winning product and post it on TikTok with good content. Stop complicating it, guys, because I promise you, if you were to try this properly, you'll find great success in it. So again, let me hop on my PC, show you a few examples, and you can go ahead and start this yourself. So it's probably best for me to run through what actually is dropshipping and how does it work. Because I'm sure there might be a few people on here where are like, whoa, Jacob, you're going too fast. I have no idea what dropshipping actually is. So dropshipping is where you find a product, your customer pays for that product, you go to the supplier and you pay less with that customer's money for the product, and you ship that to their address and they get the product. But Jacob, I don't know how to promote it. Well, if that's you right now, take a look at this. Now all you have to do for this is basically type in on the TikTok search bar, TikTok made me buy it, and here you'll see a bunch of dropshipping products. So I'm on a TikTok right now, you can see these are a bunch of gadgets that people do in fact use for dropshipping. Pick your product, see that it's getting views on TikTok, and then you have to see how much people are buying it off AliExpress or Alibaba. So once you do in fact have your product, you can go on AliExpress and search for that product and see what the profit margins are and how profitable you will be per order. Preferably you want to be at least 50% in profit. You don't want to go something where you're buying it for $10 and selling for like 12. And all you have to do to create your store is get a Shopify account, create your store and launch it, find your product, and there you go. Make a TikTok account regarding your product as well and really push it for an audience. Again, I'd recommend watching some of my 48-hour challenges with dropshipping. It will really give you an idea on how I promoted my products to an audience. Side hustle number 3. Now this one is one of my favorite side hustles. I made a video explaining this on a YouTube video later down the line, but that is in fact affiliate marketing. Now there are so many ways you can go down this. You can go through the Forex route, you can go through the CPA route, you could even go through like the eBay route. So this is kind of where you need to do your own research on what affiliation you want to pluck out. But it is basically where you were referring a business and you will then generate a lead, which is then going to get you money. Now again, I did make a full YouTube video explaining this and how I actually made 250k through affiliation on CPA, and I'll leave the link down below in the description, so you can go watch that. It's a full 8-minute video explaining exactly how you can do it. But nevertheless, be very careful when you're doing affiliation, because you want to make sure you are promoting a legit service, or you can get down the little grey route, and that's not a route to go down. And also, I know there are a lot of apps that do offer commission, which is through affiliation on their launch. So definitely do your research and see which companies are paying the most per lead. And like I said, there's a full video down below explaining it. Now going into the 4th and final side hustle for 2023, which I'm recommending. And that is in fact selling on eBay. Now I know what you're thinking, Jacob, isn't that basically what you were saying about dropshipping? Well, yes and no. Because with dropshipping, you need to make a site, make it look good, make it look cool. But imagine if you could do all of that without actually making a site. Now, ladies and gentlemen, that's where I introduce you to eBay. Alright, so I really wanted to hop on my PC and show you a quick example on how this is actually going to work and how you're going to make profits through selling on eBay. Now, as you can see on my screen right now, I've got a large swing set thing, which is like a playground area for kids. And you can see they're selling it for £880, and you can buy that pretty fast. But looking on AliExpress and Alibaba, you can buy that exact same one for only $333. So I mean, you do the maths yourself, the profit margin for that is beyond wild. And that's what I definitely recommend as well. Rather than doing these little products on eBay, definitely go towards the larger products where you're going to be getting high leads. So every sale you get on that, that's like a very good daily wage. So for Shopify and all that, leave the little gadgets for there, because you're going to be promoting this on TikTok. You want to be using keywords with this as well. So going back to this as well, notice how they are titling this to match the keywords. So when people are typing for playground for kids or swing set, that's going to be coming up and ranking high in the search bar. So yeah, if you definitely do choose to go along the eBay niche, I'd definitely recommend going for big lead products, something where you're going to make a lot of money per sale. And this works exactly the same as Shopify for those asking as well, or thinking, you know, someone buys the product, you get their details, you type it into Alibaba, you ship it off to them, order fulfilled. And I hope that gave you a little bit more of an insight to eBay and how it's going to work. Alright, so this is the part in the video where I really want to say thank you for watching, and it would honestly mean the world to me if you hit subscribe on this channel. I'm going to really try my hardest to make sure you guys have got a side hustle / main income stream going into 2023. I'm going to be posting really regularly, and I'm going to be posting all upon the finance niche as well. So definitely, if you are very interested in making money and how to run a business, definitely hit me with a sub, because it is definitely going to be beneficial for not me, but just you as well. So yeah guys, it has meant the world if you have watched up to this point. Click on a video around here, watch another one, and I'll see you guys in my next video.